Hello and welcome back to OneDay Cloud Developer course. We will continue with smart application features, and today we will speak about the most important feature, which is the SME or smart expressions. The smart expressions value lies in the flexibility it adds to the smart application sections like dashboards, reports, and automations. We will explain that in our application sales management. Let's go to automation. Let's create an automation. When creating an automation, we can see two levels. We have used the basic level and said before we will explain the advanced later. The advanced level we can see the SMEs. Let's see the SME content. The SME is normal equation that has two sides and operator or function. The left side and right side in addition to function or operator. For example, we can enter here 1 and in the other side 1 also, and select here equal operator. So this equation will return true because 1 is equal 1 always. We can also replace the 1 with any text or any type of parameters. So always the result is similar because text is always equals text. Let's preview the supported operators and functions. Most of mathematical and logical operators are supported, like equal and not equal, larger than or equal, less than or equal, plus, minus, multiply, and division, in addition to logical operators like and, or. Let's see the functions. We have mathematical functions like average, which calculates the average for array of numbers, count, similar, which calculates the count of items, sum, calculates the sum of given values, the largest value and the smallest value as well, which calculate the smallest or largest values in given values. We have also like SQRT or is odd number that returns true if the number was odd, and etc. We have also string functions like merge. We have merge end and merge start, which merges two strings together in the start or the end to the given string. We have also contain or not contain, which searches for a partial string inside original string. We have also array to string, which converts an array of strings to one string. Substring also returns true if the given partial string is a part of the original string, is start with or end with, which return true if the given partial string was start or end of the original string, etc. We have also date and time functions support, like after minute from now or before minute from now, which calculates the current time after adding or subtracting specific minutes of it. We have also logical functions like value is true or value is false, which compare the left side to true or false. We have also multi-use function like in, which searches for value in many values and return true if found. We have also between, returns true if the given value is between the given range, start and end. We will learn now about the Sme Site Types. We saw just now the fixed type, the specific value type, that should be a fixed data like fixed number like 1 or text. The second type is variable value, like date now, date time now, or date time now with time zone, which is a system variable. The third type is field value. Field value has multiple data sources like current report, which returns specific field value of report or report domain. Also can return specific row value. We can get also current user information. Event item domains, which get a specific value of specific item in some model. Also, we can have report domain. We can get also specific field value of specific item or specific user as well. We will explain them later with examples. We can set also the SME side as equation or SME, so the equation will become complex. SME inside SME. We can set also the right side as a none. So here, if we have, for example, fixed value 9 and we have SQRT function, so the SME will return the SQRT for 9 value, and there is no need for the right side because the function is supporting only one side. So the left side will be considered and the right side will be ignored. Item search side means an equation that returns the equation matched model items. For example, if we selected here product and balance and set the operator larger than and here selected specific value as 5. So the system here will return a product that have more than 5 pieces in the stock. And finally, search report data is similar to item search but return the matched report items. Now we will see an example how to use SMEs in dashboard items. Let's move to dashboard. We will see later the other use cases for SME in the next session. Let's create a new dashboard item and then choose the application, which is our application, and selecting the smart expression here, which has only single value widget type. And let's create the new SME. Here we will try to add 1 and select operator plus, and here we will enter 1. So the SME will return always 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. So forever the SME will display 2. Let's edit the SME here and create a new one. For example, we will select here 9 and select function sqrt, and the right side will be ignored by default because sqrt function ignores the right side. So the result will be 3 because the sqrt for 9 is 3. Now we will create more advanced SME. Let's delete this one. Now we will create more advanced SME. Let's call it stock value again and select our application, sales management, the data source, and single value widget. Then we will select our product that we want to calculate the stock value for it. So we need here to select a field value, then a specific item, and we will select the model, which is product, and select the item which represent a specific product like laptop, and we will select here the balance. Then we need to multiply the balance with the same product price. So we will select again here specific item and same model, same item, laptop, and here we will take the default price. So the system will multiply the balance with default price for the laptop product. Let's see the result. As we see here, there is a problem with calculating SME. This because there is some missing value that was needed for the SME. Let's check the values. We have here the default value, but we don't have the balance. So we will enter 5 here and save. Let's go back to the dashboard and see what will happen. Okay, so we got the stock value, which is the default price multiplied with balance, which is 5. So the result is 5,000. Let's change the product balance 10 and see how the number is changing in the dashboard. It will become 10,000 now. So this number dynamically changes whenever the product price or balance changes. In conclusion, we noticed how it's easy to create data management applications with automations in addition to apply any type of transactions and generating statistics reports in OneDay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.